Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Syamur Rahman and today I am going to describe a picture. Well, this is a picture of a beautiful 2D anime style art, and first of all I can see there is a lots of cherry blossom trees in this park, and there is a boy who is in brown outfit and he is sitting on a bench. He is reading a book and maybe he feels excited by reading books. Beside him there is a girl who is in yellow t-shirt and a black skirt. He is happy and he is walking she is walking towards one boy and one girl. A boy is holding a food and smiling, and the girl is also smiling, looking after the boy. They are sitting on a picnic mat, and I can also see there is a younger girl who is wearing a blue t-shirt and a black pant, who is running towards this who is running towards this I can say. There is a girl who is in blue outfit and carrying a black backpack, who is running towards this boy and girl. He is looking happy and maybe she is the younger sister of these boys and girls. I can also see in the background there is a couple walking together by holding their hands, and I can also say that this picture seems like it is spring, and maybe it's a sunny day, but the sun is not visible here. Overall, as far as I can think that this location may be situated in Japan, but overall I can say this picture is very beautiful. And that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Thank you for listening me patiently.